Hey guys, it's Madi and welcome back to part 2 of me reclaiming my curls. In this video, I will be coloring my hair, dyeing my hair to a dark natural brown. Ion Color Brilliance have that perfect color for me, and today I'm going to share it with you. If you want to check out part 1 of me cutting and trimming my hair, I'll have a card linked at the top. Or you can check out part 3 of me styling my hair. That card will also be linked. And as always, you can check out the description box for links and more info. With that being said, you guys, let's get into the video. When it comes to me dyeing my hair, the fastest way, easiest way for me is to just part my hair in half. And I start in the middle, and in no particular order, I either start on the right or the left, making sections from the front of my head to the back of my neck, and I just place the color. I like using the applicator brush to kind of like, smash, brush, comb the dye into my hair. I always start at the roots first, and then I'll go back and do like the mid shaft and kind of like work the product into my hair. That just works best for me. And then whatever is left, I'll pull it down towards the ends, but I never put dye directly on the ends of my hair just because that's the driest part. That's the part that breaks off the easiest for me, and it's the oldest part of the hair, so it doesn't necessarily need to be colored per se, because more than likely I'm going to cut it off. So yeah, and then I always make sure I hit the front of my edges because that's where I have all my grays, and they need to be colored because I don't like them. I'm not ready for grays right now. So yeah. put all the color in my hair and I'm going to let it process for 30 minutes. I have a timer going on my cell phone. And then I'm going to go ahead and rinse out my hair, and then I'll be back to show you guys what my hair looks like. You guys, I've been waiting probably since January to color my hair, so I know I'm just going to fall in love with the color. It's going to be rich, it's going to be vibrant, it's going to look healthy, and I can't wait. So I will be back after I rinse out my hair. I don't know what shampoo and conditioner I'm going to use, but I'm just going to pick something and then we'll see. Alright, so I'm just taking a look-see to check on any grays. Everything is covered. I don't mind the dye line because it just makes me look like I have more edges, so that's okay. But yes, everything seems like it's turning out right. Alright, so I ended up using the shampoo and conditioner and deep conditioner from the Ajua Beauty Blue Tansy line, which is my favorite. I like it. It came out exactly how it always comes out. The color is dark but not black. Yeah, this is part 2. I will see you guys over in part 3 when I style my hair. Now I just gotta figure out what styler I want to use. With that being said, I'll see you guys over there. If not, I'll talk to you soon.